It's giving what it's supposed to give, baby.
It's cause you bad, yeah. You bad.
Okay guys, so today I am going to be putting on a wig. Yes, a wig, me. I put on wigs before, don't get me wrong, but not on camera and never one like this. So if you don't follow me on my social media, baby, follow me on Instagram, because you know I be doing like my color schemes and this and that. So the color right now is blue. So I said, you know what, it's 2022, I'm going all out, y'all. Like I'm going hair, nails, everything about to be the color of whatever color that I'm doing at that moment, you know. So I got this wig from my local beauty supply house. This is the Sheer Moss Impress lace wig in the color baby blue. So it comes packaged just like this. And so yeah, let's open this thing on up. Boom. And pull this up out of here. So this is a bob. Take all this stuff out. Okay, so yeah, this is the wig, the lace. I'm not gonna sit here and act like, you know, I know about transparent and all that. Honey, what I know is I'm gonna make it do what it do. So in the inside, it has the, let me make it focus. It has the combs, and then it has the adjustable straps in the back, and also it has a comb back here as well. I mean a clip. So those clips you clip in. So we just really about to, I seen some people kind of put the, you know what, it's probably already like some makeup on here. Let me see, because they like kind of put the makeup on the inside so it can look like more like scappy. So let me just kind of put that on the part so I can make sure, you know, that part is like skin first. And y'all, I'm rushing because I was supposed to be ready a long time ago, and the sun is going down, and I really wanted to take a picture, which I still am. I just don't know how I'm gonna do it now. So I just got my hair pulled back in a ponytail. Like, it ain't that crucial, baby. I don't know how to braid like that, to be braiding to the scalp. So yeah, I'm just gonna boom, position my little shebang bang on like that, you know. Where's my mirror? Hey, I need this to be closer.
Greatness. DJ Natil. Yo, I don't wanna see you with nobody. Just me and my body. Girl, we know second and I'll be some.
Oh yes. So then I went to the beauty supply house, y'all, when I got this wig, and I got some of this it's called a wax stick. So it's, girl, I be seeing everybody doing this little thing or whatever. So this is the part where you like put that to like flatten this down, flatten like your part in the back. Come on now. Let me get this side. You know, yeah, your girl is learning some stuff. Y'all better stop playing with her. What are you talking about? Okay. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Okay, y'all. So, baby, the wig ain't even looking that bad, and I ain't even did nothing to it. Well, I don't know what I'm supposed to do to it. What am I supposed to do? Why is this all... Okay, baby, I'm looking like Stormy, baby. Let me, I like mine to be flat. My head big enough, baby. Oh, baby, you sliding back. See, I should have put that little pin thing up in here. Stormy, baby. Okay. Dang, I should have grabbed my flat. Okay, let me grab my flat irons, y'all. Like I said, I'm not even gonna glue it down because, like I said, I don't have that much time. Honey, wait. Boom. Baby. Honey. What is you talking about, baby? The outfit. Honey. Y'all. So, this is the wig. And I decided not to do like no baby hairs or anything because I think it just look, you know, cute just like this. I put on my J's first. I'm about to take like a little shoe pick or whatever. And so, yeah. I absolutely love it. Like, I love the color. Like, what? It's giving what it's supposed to give, baby. Definitely. But yeah, I'm about to head to my man's house because I think I'm gonna take it in his stairwell, and I'm gonna grab my blue fur jacket, and that's what we doing. So
something to think about when you're touching yourself, so that you call me and leave them toys on the shelf. Oh no, yeah, yeah.
Okay, before you go, babe, what you think about the hair?
It's lovely.
That's all that matters. So yeah, I just took some pictures. I don't know how y'all be taking the pictures in the stairwell and they be coming out like crispy clear. Mine didn't really come out that clear, but I'm still gonna like post them because they're like real swaggish or whatever. So yeah, I took my pictures. I love them. I'm about to, he in here sick, coughing everywhere, so we about to spray the apartment down. I don't know. Give me the Lysol. Give it to me. Babe, why you didn't spray this place down before I came? Y'all, he been coughing all over me. Coughing on, oh, let me spray my camera because he was holding it. Baby, what you about to do? Make some Theraflu. Concludes my day. Yeah, we about to wrap it up and get ready to go. Well, I'm hungry, so I don't know. I'm gonna probably eat something and I'll just talk to you guys tomorrow.
I be so sick of you niggas, y'all contradicting. I be so bold myself, can you come and fuck me? I feel so ordinary, except when you around me. Treat me like all the right, you carry out. Arguments, you air me out. Tripping about your whereabouts. I can't keep no conflict with you, boy, can we just rub it out? I don't want no static with you, you know you my plug. And I can't shake this habit, no. I've been out, baby. Every reminiscing. Every other missing you. Wish it was different than what it was.
Good morning, love bugs. It is the next day. Today is Thursday, the 13th. Honey, January is already, you know, flying by. But yeah, I wanted to get on here because I did get a couple of packages today, which I kind of already opened them, but I can still show you guys what I got. And then y'all, I don't know if I filmed it, but well, I know I filmed when I installed my wig. So y'all, this is the first time that I have did like a color hair. Oh well, I did purple one time, I think in 2018 for my birthday. And that was the only color that I ever had. But now, oh baby, I'm about to come with the looks. Pink, purple. I just did blue yesterday, so if y'all not following my social media, baby, go follow it, because I posted a little fly pic and a reel and a couple of TikToks. So y'all make sure y'all be following me on my socials, you know. Yeah, like that. But yeah, y'all, I'm so excited to like go all out with like this color stuff. Yellow, green, I'm talking everything. I'm going in, y'all. Just stay tuned and make sure you follow me on my social media, because it's going down in the DM. But yeah, like I said, I did get a couple of boxes from Amazon, so I want to show y'all what I got. Well, the only thing I can really show y'all is I got this this skin for my laptop, so I'm gonna put this on, and then I got like some bubble, and ooh, that's just a little preview because I got some big things about to happen. Hold on, let me turn this camera around. I have some things that is about to happen that I'm so excited about. I'm not gonna share too much info, just wait on it. But I did get a skin, and I'm gonna put it on my laptop, because y'all know I just got a new laptop. I think I filmed that too. And yeah, I'm gonna put that on there. So as y'all can see though, I have big boxes. Big boxes can only mean one thing. Baby, we moving! Yay! We are moving in less than maybe 2 weeks. Like, I'm leaving this place behind. I am leaving this place behind, and I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so happy and grateful. Y'all already know, if y'all watched like my previous vlogs in December, like I was house hunting and looking for townhouses and this, that, and that. God has blessed. Just wait on it. Just wait on it, because y'all already know I'm gonna do a house tour, and when I say house, I mean house. So no more apartment for me. Like I'm just like overwhelmed and with joy, like for real, for real. So yeah, let's go put this on my laptop or whatever. And yeah, let me see something. This is my laptop that I got. Like I said, I am a tax preparer, so I just needed a handy dandy laptop, even though I have my Apple desktop. I still needed me a laptop. So let's open this so I can see. I hope it is so cute. And I'll probably get another one, but you know. So I got this one because I like the blue and the purple and the little pink and orange in there. I just thought this was like so cute. Okay, so what are you supposed to do? I hope I ain't gotta be like cutting nothing. What? What's this? I do gotta cut this. See, this is too much. And I'm gonna end up cutting parts that I don't even want to cut. Y'all, I didn't even know I had to cut this. Why would they make this like this? I'm the worst cutter ever. My stuff gonna be all crooked. Hold on. Okay, so this is the cover, and I just opened it. So yeah, I did kind of mess it up with the cutting. Like I said, baby, I'm not the best cutter. Check me out though. Yeah, I will probably just check back with you guys just a little bit later. So
I'm drowning family.
natural disasters. My baby has been around for me. Kingdoms are falling, angels be calling. None of that could ever make me leave. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. And when we make love, your cries they can't be heard far and wide. It's only the two of us. Everything I need is between those eyes, yes. Every time I look into your eyes, I see it. You're all I need. Every time I get a bit inside, I feel it. Thought I had you.
I'm so glad it's Friday. What it do, guys? It is the next day, baby. It is Friday. Happy Friday. It is the weekend. I just wanted to check in real quick with you guys or whatever, and yeah, I hope y'all have a happy Friday. Don't work too hard, baby. It is the weekend. Don't party too hard, cause baby, COVID, Omarion, Delta, hopefully it's Sigma Theta, all that is out there, and people really are getting sick. So you know, take it serious, honey. And honestly, I don't see how y'all in the club every week anyway. Like, I just don't see how y'all do this. How? Somebody please tell me, please. Because I want to know. Anyways, y'all, I'm getting beside the subject. I will probably check in a little bit later. You know, I ain't doing nothing. So if I don't, baby, yeah, and my camera finna die. So, happy Friday.
It's 'cause you bad, yeah. You bad.